What's up, my YouTube family? John Viet here, back with a brand new video. Today, we're rolling some footage of one of my guys doing a job. As you guys know, I've been growing my agency and helping you guys out with that. So if you do want to schedule a call with me and you want me to set up and run your Facebook ads, hit that first link in the description or shoot me a text message at 843-888-2371. But we did get this job through my Facebook ads. And then I sent my boy out there, Timo, to do the job and had him record it. So that's what you'll be watching today, is a nice little house wash that we had done. $350 house wash, and took us less than an hour. So if you're getting into the pressure washing industry and you see me talking about how you can make $100, $200, $300 an hour, well, this is living proof that you can get little house washes like this and provide some value to your customers. Now, if you want to know how to price out jobs, down below in the description, there is a pricing handbook, which I do recommend you check out. Also, you can find all of the links to our equipment, where to get a surface cleaner, the J-Rod, that is the tool that we're using to clean this house. Also, a ball valve, surface cleaner, everything that you need there. Also, drop a comment down below where you guys are located. I would love to connect with each and every one of you guys. One more thing to announce is we just hit 25,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much. Also on the Pressure Wash Community Group, the largest Facebook group for pressure washers, we hit 19,000 people there. So please come in, join my Facebook group. Would love to have you there. And that way you can see me go live and we can chat up personally. So I'm going to go ahead and roll some footage here, and you guys can enjoy the rest of the video. Peace out.